have some picture of you with some wig where the world never see them picture you yet.
Nobody show them. Try to show them. But just
welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull. This is just a reminder to let you know you can subscribe. You see me before watching. We are going to talk about the description of the video, so don't worry on yourself. You see me. So Spice went live with Baby Cham, right, guys? I'm sure you see that. So after that happened recently, RT Boss shared this to film page. You see me, cause the people they must share, but they said video say Spice, son, father, Baby Cham, and Spice get it wrong. You see me? So with that said, guys, you don't know RT Boss jumping at the picture, everything said. Guys, RT make a post to him Instagram account and said, I am urging the government of Jamaica to enforce a law for women who give the man jacket and proud of it, especially when the man is mixed with Indian and the child comes out to be naturally African, guys. You see me, him also make an expose and say, yo, me never give the pitney to the wrong daddy. Which artist sing this song and who is the producer of this song? We now get $400 US, guys. You know, guys, all what going on, you know, I feel like RT Boss. Him not only was a reader, man. I feel like same with, you know, emotionally wise, like Spice, you know, cause I don't see why you go so hard in regards to them something there. Me understand say you're informative if I say you call it a informer, but guess what? I don't see what Spice could have do, but me share the live, wouldn't I? You see me?
Baby Cham, him voice different. The man can perform. The man DJ different when him go for sit down for rhythm. I don't know normal DJ something. I don't know flanky artist. Watch the big man now. Alright, Sam. Dickhead. You don't know. We take a milky.
What go on?
It's a milky Christmas.
Milky Christmas. Milky. I know say I should have some milk to come out with. I should have some milk to come out with.
I guess I want to the echo.
I'm drinking cider, my baby.
Okay. We come with the girl them one. It's a milky Christmas.
It's a milky Christmas. Very
The
milky
people
Christmas. So what go on?
Me there in a weak closet.
Where?
Me have a closet.
Oh my God.
Me have a closet for my wig alone. Me just give a look up props. The wig them want to fix up and stuff, but me have a closet for the wigs them alone. Me have a wig closet.
Hey yo, let me tell you this. Me have some picture of you with some wig where the world never see them picture you yet.
Nobody show them. Try to show them. But just tell them I want to say me I wear blue hair from synthetic days. I know them want to take it away from me. From after each and they look up blue at the front right here, so from them
say,
time them go.
Me say with the long nail them so. Yo, the other day, 2 days ago Elijah say, he remember he used to walk him around in him prom. Every day in him prom, come play with him every single day. I'm gonna go through back the picture of them and me and show him. And he say, look how Spice look. Now she gets shapy, basic.
Money! What's money I show up on Gracie? What's Gracie
money?
fix up our style?
What's Gracie Couture? Yo.
Here's what I love you.
No, not today. Not today, my G. It's a great look, you know what I mean? And every time I see it, it only make me know. You have sometimes when you meet people and you know you make the wrong decision. And you have sometimes when you meet people and you know you make the right decision. You know what I mean? Even them times that
right.
when we meet and you say, with the England and we meet and you tell, yeah, you know what I mean? A whole heap of wrong decision we make, you know what I mean? But you're one of the right decision them. You're one of the right decision them, you know what I mean? One of the right one them where it's all right. This is from our relationship has stemmed from when? 2003, 2004. I think it was Vitamin's tour in England, you know what I mean? And me didn't know, the world don't know. Me didn't know. Like me know from them. Said, nah man, he boy tell me, say, John, I feel like I'm not do no more music or whatever. I mean, I say, mad. When we don't do the music, like, you have artists that was on that tour were established and never mash up the place every night like you, and you never have a record out. That is my problem, you know, when me I reason with you, you know. And me I tell you, say, no, you can't do this, you can't just come to the show. Why you not a record? And you say the producer didn't want a record, you know what I mean? And the right decision, pretty. Believe me, it was the right decision. And you have to just go and do the thing. Go and do the thing, just a start, you know what I mean? Just a start. Now that you're free up. Now that you're free up and you can fly. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but all the people them know years and it's been a long time coming. Cause them time they when we meet you and nothing and go on, hungry days. Them not really understand. We see some people see Spice now and them try to fight it and them not really understand. So this is not an overnight something, you know. This is a different.
Yo, in a little apartment. This is from Portmore. When we are come from the block of Portmore, you say, me need to move. Me need to move. I want you to move. Yeah. I say, move, babe. From your move, things are going to fly. No worry about nothing. Whatever is there, it's going to work. And you move, go there, a little apartment, right up the road, that's off. And when you up this again, close to Manor Park, that's up.
10%. 10%. Yeah.
All right.
All right. I'm look up bed, put in an apartment and fix up my place.
Yeah, the little bed, I'll fix it up. When I come in there, be a cologne. Be a perfume. My
apartment is neat. My apartment is neat. I'm look up place.
All right. Right.
I'm look up
neat. Yeah, and the little blue wig always in there too.
Yes, that is a boss. But we just want to say big of yourself because I years. I remember a long time I want to do a song with you. I'm finally get it now and the song hot. So let's talk about it.
All right. So first of all, a lot of people are linking and say, I want to come up with that vibe here. Why just now, me and you know music now. And today, me stand up in a studio when you record. Stand up right beside you, comfort you, guide you, whatever it is at the time. Both of we are guide each other. When we're on tour, you me come tell you, say, this me a weird. You tell me, say, no, put this with that, whatever it is. And today we are brother and sister. But our music, sometimes it have to write. And you know, force things. You know what I mean? You know, force music. When it write. And I think Condensed Milk right. Right now, it right. You know what I mean? And everybody I feel it, ladies them I feel it. Yo, I've seen some Condensed Milk challenge videos. Where you have people that do tongue game with the condensed milk. These are different levels. Me say a little you. Yo, may I tell you have some people say them can't wine, so a tongue game them a play with the condensed milk. So it a go get serious. Me say a little kid say right now Spice, he never reach out to shop. Him say Spice, me know I like people something this, but me I beg your piece of money.
Bread, me like when Cham condensed milk and bread can only for that me used to eat.
All right, so that if anybody from the Caribbean or from Garrison knows a condensed milk and bread, not normal. Yeah, so that little youth that deserves something. That little youth that deserves something, man. Even the video, I want to give enough credit and enough shout out, even from the video set. It amazes me. You have guided me from the video set. Wait, no, I'm not even talking about what you do. Wait, no, man. I'm not even talking about, oh, yeah, twerk and I go out with this. I talk about, guide me on the set. Remember, say, one of my biggest records and one of the biggest records ever out of our genre, Get a Story. You are one of the person them where me directly tell the director, say, more beside Alicia. You know what I mean? More people see you. So if we come back around now with me and on a video set and you tell me, say, Beckett, you can't. More you act more relaxed. That's so the girl them will see and love you more. Is that they say, watch me little pretty just grow. Look at that, you know what I mean? For you I give an advice for that video said, which we did love that. But apart from that,
I don't want to cut you, but it just go for show you how the universe work. Because remember when me a come in a music, me don't know nothing, and you are show me the rope, and you are carry me, and you are teach me.
Full circle.
And no,
full circle.
You don't know nothing about social media. Me I say, I want to your Beckett. I want to do this. You understand? It just got to show you know all the universe work. When you put out love,
you know what I mean?
Love
come back. Love come back. But apart from that, that big body something there, not a milk that big.
Wine.
You don't know, you have some,
you have
some people that say a camera trick. Some people are saying camera
No,
trick
you're
on the back
crazy.
in the stairs. So listen,
Camera
listen.
trick where? You're crazy.
Listen. Peanut make hot Guinness bubble up. He said it go bubble up and I see the battery go so bloosh and drop in our milk.
What kind of camera trick? Camera trick where?
Yo!
No camera trick. You're crazy.
I'm a stunt double. Are you a bubble?
No, that's
I'm a
not.
stunt double. That's Spice bubble. It's not a stunt double. Yo, so the competition is there. We need the fans them to make sure they're supporting the record. Make sure y'all streaming. Make sure y'all buying. Make sure y'all watching the video. The video is out. The visual is very crazy, very sick. Everybody will see me so far. Tell me say them love the visual. You know what I mean? And we want big up the director, Bling Blanc. She did a great job. She and her team. We want big up the label. The record label that the song is on is Lawless Productions, and this is Lawless Productions, which is my label first record.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And for it to be my first record with you is special. You know what I mean? Special.
I'm like spice on it. There's something you deliver it just make me want wine. And there's something where they spice make it when you put
up for this, you know. Big stock pop out, you goddamn me face, you know. You with the kitty meanwhile we are kissing, you know. Roll on me boots coming, run no risk, you know. Talk to me, dirty, me love freakiness, you know. Bang! But wait, alright, you like that? Me love where you go. Feel up, make. Yeah. No man, it's a joy. It's a joy and it's a pleasure. So the fan base out there, Spice fans, Baby Cham fans, the competition is on, $5,000 is on the table. Whatever you got to do with that milk, you get that Christmas milky and let us have a milky Christmas. Can you hear me?
And it's
good.
5,000 US and a 5,000 Jamaican. 5,000 US.
5,000 US. You know, when Spice is involved, this is not normal. We're talking about Gracie. Gracie does nothing normal, so I have $5,000. That me I tell you, $5,000 US, big USD.
And you have to come on and let me say, when you don't have condensed milk, dear milk, just use milk and make it their milk.
Any milk. You don't have to be condensed milk. Any milk, as long as it's a white Christmas. Yeah, as long as it's a white Christmas, we're good. It's milky.
Might like my teeth brush.
Yeah.
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 I know say I wait till last minute for upload the video them, but I can't wait to see the creativity behind the milky Christmas.
Yeah, it's supposed to nice. It's supposed to really nice. I'm gonna want enough love. And I love you always. They can spread all the rumors you want to spread. You're my baby. No if, no buts, no maybe. Good?
I am a father right